What is a protein? What does it do? Why do we care about it? So basically, it does most everything in the cell. So while DNA is the information, and RNA can be an intermediary between DNA and making a protein, and also RNA has some role in creating proteins. Proteins do basically everything else in the cell. They can have catalytic activity. These are the enzymes, the things that process sugar and make it into energy. They can act as transport carriers across a membrane. There are also structural proteins. So your cells have structure. They have, you can imagine like a neuron that goes from your that is in your brain is a very different structure than the muscles in your arm. And so that structure is formed by structural proteins in the actual cell. Then there are also regulatory proteins. These are going to be the proteins that we're going to spend a lot of time talking about. They control when a gene is made, when it is expressed, when it is made into RNA. And as part of this, they control a lot of the cellular activity. And as far as genomics goes, they're one of the sort of core interactions that leads to the functionality of a cell. What's interesting is that there are also a number of cofactors that are often needed for proteins to do their function. So they need metal ions and other organic cofactors like hormones and so on and so forth. And so even when a protein is fully folded, it still doesn't necessarily have the ability to do its job until it acquires these different cofactors.